How to extend an image using AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you extend any image using AI. So let's get started. On this process, at first open up any browser on your system. Alright, after you open browser, in the source field you'll have to search for image extender, and after you search it, you can find multiple websites that will offer you to extend or expand the images. From there you'll have to just select one, as many of the AI are paid or some AI are free, so simply you'll have to just select one. In my case, I will select this AI like Pixelcut. Alright, from this Pixelcut AI, you'll have to tap on the option upload image at the right hand, so simply click on upload image, and from here select your image. Alright, after you select it, click on open. Okay, after you upload the image in this AI, you'll have to click on the option aspect ratio, and from the custom section you can manually customize the aspect ratio from where you want to expand or customize. So simply select one ratio like 1:1, 16:9, which is for YouTube, so simply select one. In my case, I will select this 16:9. Alright, as you can see, here is the aspect ratio of 16:9, and after you select the aspect ratio, click on the option generate. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully expanded or extended the image using this AI. Now to download this image, you'll have to click on download just at the top right. Alright, so from this section, as you can go the option free or sign in, like on the preview resolution it is free, and for the full resolution you'll have to just sign in, so simply click on sign in, and from here you can continue with your Apple, email or Google ID. Okay, after you are successfully signed in, you can easily tap on this download option again. And from here, as you can see, I have successfully extend or expand the image and download it on my system. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.